What's up, everyone? Don't mind the wig. I'm just testing it for tonight. It is gonna be it's New Year's Eve, so tonight we are going to Taylor's parents for their New Year's. It's their wedding anniversary, but every year they have a New Year's party, and the theme tonight is '70s theme. So hence, this is why I'm wearing the wig. I have a full outfit with it. Taylor has an outfit. It's gonna be dope. But I just want to say, I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I hope you guys got, if you guys want car parts or whatever you guys wanted, needed. I hope you guys got those things. But today, I'm gonna hit the gym here in a minute. Have you guys come with me to go work out, and then we're gonna go to my parents' house, and we're throwing on my coilovers on the EG. We're putting on the MF8s. I want to test fit them, make sure they're good. I wanted to try and find someone that was a mobile fender roller, but the two guys that I hit up aren't mobile anymore. They're not mobile, and I guess it kind of, for them being mobile, kind of cuts into them making money. So it's either I'm gonna have to borrow or buy a fender roller myself, or find someone that can mobily come and roll my fenders for me. But we're gonna take care of that, do some other stuff on the car, and then get ready for the night and celebrate and bring in New Year's with you guys. So tag along, and we're about to have some fun. But first, gym time. It's go time. Just started drizzling, but we'll get this workout in, and then go to the house and work on the car. Chest done day. Chest with some traps and some triceps. I'm good to go. Working out's really been a big thing for me. I don't know if I told any of you, but I had got a back injury almost 2 years ago, squatting 300 pounds. And I've been working on my core more this last year. I just started doing cardio. But for the most part, yes, like I was saying, I had got an injury a couple years back, and I was squatting, and it was my last rep, my last set, and I just felt like a tweak coming up. I'm like, oh, great. And it was like a 6 to 8 month recovery, where it was adjustments twice a week, and I didn't squat, I didn't do any deadlifts, like nothing crazy. I spent the last year just trying to build my core and, get my strength back. Because when I got my injury, I went from weighing 193 to 163 within a couple days. Well, I didn't go to the gym. I didn't go to the gym for about 3 weeks. I was still kind of eating, but yeah, I had a little minor setback. I mean, I was kind of pushing myself to prep for a show. I wanted to do a physique bodybuilding show, and that was out the window after I got the injury. So lately, like I said, I've just been really just pushing on, just getting my old size back. I'm not really worried about the weight. Like, I'm not gonna be the biggest guy in the world. Like, that's out the window. At my age, I'm 35. As crazy as it sounds, yes, I'm 35. But at my age, like, that's just, it's not a dream. I mean, when you're younger, yeah, you want to be big and all that. But a lot of my workouts lately have just been like high reps, slow and controlled, making every rep count, and that's it. I mean, I'm not trying to be big. I'd rather be physically fit and have full range of motion, mobility, and whatnot. I want to be able to scratch my back, and if someone wants to joke around and put like a sticky note on my back, I can reach it. But we're about to head to my parents' house. Well, I'm gonna go change my sweater. I gotta change a little bit, get a couple things, and then head to my parents and head to Tristan, where my motor's at. my timing belt, which I'm gonna take to him, and some plugs. They're gonna go on the back on the block. We'll put those on, and then go to my parents, install my coilovers, adjust the height, and put the wheels on with the spacers. Make sure it's flush, and I gotta drill some holes in the firewall for my mil-spec harness, or my bracket, and then we're gonna get ready for this party tonight. So let's get jamming. All right, so these are the the plugs that I got. It's a -10 fitting, and these are gonna go on the block. So I got these two, and I'm dropping off this timing belt with Tristan right now. And all right, so I had Tristan put this plug in, this plug, alternator bracket. I'm actually waiting for this bracket from HMO, and then the pump's gonna go right here. The belt we brought, which we'll put later on, and then after the motor's done, we can build the head next. MF8, the car's out. It's very dusty. Let me just show you guys, like, all the parts, dashboards in here, door panels, all the red labels right there. My Mugen side skirts are right there. So it's almost ready, well, to go to paint, but we got a few other things to do. So we put these blocks here so it doesn't roll back. We're gonna start with the rear first. We're gonna jack this thing up first. Jack it up, take off the wheels, take off the control, drop the control arms, put the coilovers on, and put the MF8s on. And as most of you might know, I had this exhaust done 2 years ago, and that tow hook is welded. I'll take off the bumper so you guys can see it. So, like I said, I had that welded to the frame, and then here's the exhaust. Coilovers are in. Wasn't take too long, but this bolt, it's missing a nut right here. So we gotta figure out, I gotta get a nut on there. Rain might be coming this way, so if I'm gonna do this coilover in the back. If I can't do that coilover, I'm gonna do this coilover in the wheel.
I just don't know if I can do the front ones. Regardless, I'll put the wheels on just to see how it looks, and I can just do the fronts another day. Need to find someone to roll this out, but it'll do for now. But the rears are on. Now we just gotta do the front ones. Yeah, these things gotta be rolled, but they're on with spacers. So this is where our mil-spec harness bracket's gonna go. So middle hole is harness, this is a clutch line, and the other two holes here on the other side are for the return and feed lines for the fuel. So that now that I have the holes cut out, and I drilled the holes here, don't mind that, I kind of fucked it up, but whatever. The holes are pre-drilled so I can have this put on once it comes back from the body shop. But for the most part, we're good to go for the end of the day. Well, the wheels are on, coilovers are on, all the spacers are on. The front definitely needs to get lowered a bit, and the back, I need the fenders rolled, but for the most part, they look good. I think I would probably just raise the back a little bit and lower the front, maybe like an inch. But that's it before the weather. Well, it went away, so. Oh, everyone, say hi to my dad, Eddie. Hey. But we're done here for the day. I'm just gonna roll the car back into the garage, and next video, we're gonna work on these, and we're gonna, I found this kit online on YouTube, on Amazon, where we're gonna basically flock it. It's like a suede material. I'm gonna take those off so they can get redone. So we're gonna take these home. Back into storage it goes. Until next time.
All right, so made it back home after working on the car. It started drizzling, but it is the New Year's also, so I'm about to get ready. Taylor's on her way home. We're gonna get dressed and go to her parents and turn up. But before I, go have fun and, celebrate, 2022, I just want to tell you guys to be safe. 2023, manifest everything that you want. Take the risks. I just feel like moving forward, this last year taught me to take a risk. The things that you're scared of doing, if you're, hesitant about making a job move or going to a new location, whether it's a different city, a different state, trying something new, trying new foods, getting out of your comfort zone. I strongly suggest just to try something new this next year. Make goals for yourself. Even make a list. Five goals maybe, something small, big, whatever. Make goals for yourself to accomplish this next year, and every year, make goals that are they might be tough, but goals that you can accomplish. And with that, you guys be safe. I strongly, don't drink and drive. And tell your loved ones, close friends, family, brother, sister, whoever. Tell them you love them. Reach out to friends. I just, had got word that my cousin had passed, and I'm numb to it, but it is. I've learned that unfortunately, in life, we all have a number. We just don't know when that number will get picked. So always live life to the fullest. Live each day, live life day by day to the fullest, with no regrets. And just cherish, make memories. Pictures. Just things that you could always cherish for the rest of your life with your close friends and family and the ones that are close to you, and whatnot. But I just wanted to just kind of just tell you guys just to be safe and tell the people closest to you that you love them and you care for them. But on a side note, let's get ready. It's time to party and celebrate and bring in the new year just right. Let's go in here. It's about to go down. Yeah! We got yeah, man. Look at that charcuterie board. Epic. Yes! Happy New Year! All right, everybody. See you on the next one. Peace.
Peace out. Happy New Year.
Bye. All right, you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.